What's up, bro? Yeah, I'm right here down at the spot. Y'all coming out? I mean, bring them Chronicles out too. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if they 19 Chronicles. But I like that 24 or 12 pack. 18. Oh, so y'all can have old Salem's. Well, I don't want them out, and they said the blacks wasn't there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I supposed to be going to $2 Tuesday. They giving out fish plates. Yeah, you get a fish. To fix the plate. Call the bartender a wine booty shorts. They say they supposed to be script night. Yeah, y'all come on out. Judah ain't gonna be there. Bob, Slade, the Oochie Coochie girls flirting and stuff out there. Alright, that's holler at me. I'll see you on the 21st of May. And bring your stimulus checks too. Cause we coming out to spend this week.